Sensory needs don't stop at the school gate, and when home doesn't match your child's sensory profile, everything can feel harder than it needs to. Let's make it simpler. The myth is, they're being fussy, or they need to learn to tolerate it. But sensory differences are not preferences, they're nervous system realities. Sensory stress can come from noise, TV, siblings, appliances, light, overhead lighting, flicker, clothing, seams, tight waistbands, smell, cleaning products, cooking, touch, unexpected contact, food texture, personal space. A home example, your child refuses a jumper. You think it's defiance. They feel scratch, heat, pressure. I can't think. When sensory load is high, you may see irritability, withdrawal, sudden anger, tiredness, overreactions, difficulty with transitions. If we keep pushing through sensory discomfort, the child spends energy coping, not learning or connecting. Meltdowns increase. Family life becomes tense. If we make small tweaks, regulation improves. Cooperation often increases. You stop fighting battles that don't need to exist. Try a sensory audit of your home. 1. Create one low sensory zone, a corner or room that is dimmer, quieter, predictable, stocked with comfort items. 2. Swap, not force. If clothing is an issue, try softer fabrics, remove labels, buy multiples of safe items. 3. Noise strategy. Headphones, quiet time after school, reduce background TV, agree volume rules with siblings, small changes, big impact. Your child isn't trying to make home difficult. They're trying to make their body cope. If you'd like practical next steps, I run free monthly 1-hour online sessions via Eventbrite, and I also deliver training for parents and carers across the UK.